Welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through something every WordPress blogger should master: adding clickable links or hyperlinks to your blog posts. Linking is a simple skill, but it's absolutely essential if you want your content to guide readers, connect your ideas, and drive traffic to other useful pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add links, what the options mean, and how to make your blog more helpful and professional. Let's dive right in. First, imagine you've written a great post, and now you want to point your readers to additional information, a reference, another blog post, or perhaps your favorite resource. The starting point is selecting the text in your post that you want to become a link. This is known as your anchor text. For example, if you write "check out my review of the best travel apps," you'd highlight that phrase. Choosing clear, relevant anchor text not only helps your readers know where the link will go, but it's also good for accessibility and search engines. Once you've selected your text, look at the toolbar above the post editor in WordPress. There's usually a little icon that looks like a chain link. That's your Insert Link button. Go ahead and click it. If this is your first time, you might be surprised how easy it is. WordPress really streamlines the process. Next, a box pops up where you'll enter the destination of the link. If you're connecting to an external site, just paste in the URL. Maybe it's a research article, a friend's blog, or something interesting you discovered. If you're linking to another post or page on your own WordPress site, you don't even need to know the exact address. You can simply start typing the name of the page, and WordPress will suggest existing posts and pages to choose from. This internal search feature is a real time saver and honestly a bit of a safety net. It helps you avoid broken links later on, especially if you ever update your page's URL. This way, WordPress will keep everything connected behind the scenes. Once you've pasted or selected the right link, it's time to confirm it. You can press Enter on your keyboard or click the Apply button. It's often shown as a small arrow or Submit icon. And that's it, the text is now a hyperlink. If you want to check your work, just click on it. You'll see it's active. But let's go a step further, because WordPress offers a couple of advanced options that can make your links even more effective. After you insert a link, click on it again. Typically, you'll see additional choices, like Open in New tab. This is especially handy if you're sending your reader to an external website. Enabling Open in New tab means your blog stays open, and the new site pops up in a separate browser tab. It's a small tweak, but it helps keep your audience engaged with your content. Another advanced setting you might come across is link rel, which lets you set attributes such as Nofollow or sponsored. These are especially important if you're linking to affiliate offers or advertisements, and want to let search engines know the nature of the link. For everyday blogging, you might not need to worry too much about this. But as your site grows, it's nice to know you have the option for added control and SEO transparency. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to weave links throughout your posts, making each article more valuable and your blog more interconnected and reader-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own linking tips. And if you're keen on learning more WordPress tricks, make sure to subscribe so you never miss another useful tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.